Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. You read the title, you see the title, you know you're here to find out one of my secrets. Now, I have been doing makeup for years and years. It took me an extremely long time to try to get the perfect technique for that dreadful winged eyeliner. Well guys, that problem has been solved. I have found my hero, my salvation. I had a professional MUA do my wing liner for me. I have found the secret to the perfect winged eyeliner on hooded eyes. Of course, it did take me a while to learn because I do have a hooded eye and it is extremely hard to wing your liner because that part right there is going to droop over whatever you do anyways. So instead of having a nice, crisp, perfect straight line like everybody else can do, people with hooded eyes like myself have got the weirdest shaped winged liner just to even get it to show when we open our eyes. Now, I have been doing or using this method for about the last month, and it has been perfect every single time. Not just sometimes, not every once in a while.
Every time.
I don't mean to sound like an infomercial, guys, but I am just so excited to share this with you. It warms my heart just knowing that I can prevent a fellow hooded eye person from months, in my case years, of the agonizing, the aggravating, excruciating pain of trying to perfect or even wear a winged liner. Now, before I show you this magical liner that does my wing for me, I do need to clear something up first. To be honest with you guys, I absolutely hate the formula of this awful shit. It is the package it comes in that I love. Oh, so much. Not so much the package. It's more or less the wand. Are you guys ready? Because I just don't think you're ready. If you guys had been anybody else, I would not be telling you this. But I love you guys so much that I just want you to be a part of the it no longer takes me 5 minutes to do one eyeball team. That's 10 minutes I spend doing winged liner. Just winged liner. And boy, let me tell you, this is it, sis. Alright guys, are y'all ready? Because here it is.
Cue the heart.
This is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. When they say precision,
Oh, they mean it.
nothing will ever be the same again. If King Kong himself walked through that door and took this liner, he would have a big problem.
A big problem.
I said no!
Oh, guys, sweet irony. This cruel, cruel world. I have something to tell you guys in a minute. Too bad the formula sucks. But then again, guys, you know, everybody's different. Somebody else might love this formula. It's just not for me. So what I like to do is I like to trace out my line with this. And then I cover it up with a formula that I do like. But the line's already there, so it's so much easier. It's just extremely shiny. It does not dry down matte. I love my liquid liners to dry down matte. Also, has a tendency to smear, especially if I'm sweating like I'm doing now. Or crying. God forbid, do not rub your eyes, because she's just not a long-lasting queen, if you know what I mean. Now I'm about to attempt to show you just what the hell I'm talking about. But I'll warn you, you're probably not going to be able to see a whole lot, or see it even, it's just bad. It's all bad. You see, I'm lighting with lamps now, and filming on my phone. And I broke one of the lamps, so that's why I've been kind of steering clear from the tutorials until I can get some equipment. It sucks right now. So until I can afford to get, you know, the equipment that I need, I try to steer clear from tutorials, you know. So that's why I haven't been doing really a lot this lately. But guys, mark my words. You bet your sweet ass I'll be doing tutorials once I get back on my feet. So many, in fact. You guys will probably be begging me to stop doing tutorials. Please, can we see something else? Anyways, guys, I'm going to quit running my mouth and I'm going to slip in the tutorial right here. Oh my goodness. Guys, it pains me so bad to have to tell you guys this. But before I got a chance to film the tutorial part showing you guys how I use this, the dogs got a hold of this liner and chewed it up in pieces. So I found an icon, matter of fact, how to use the wheeled liner. Now, this person does a lot of hooded eye tutorials, and I learned so many tricks from her. So I was so glad to see that she had a video showing how to use one of these. Now, regrettably, she is using the MAC one, but same concept. I just wanted you guys to see how the wheel part works. So I will be showing a clip from one of her videos so you could see how this thing is used. Guys, here's Alyssa Ashley.
I'm so scared. Let's see how this works. So I applied some. Okay. So I did not totally just fail. So that's a great thing. Did not fail. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to do it the other way, which is what I'm nervous about because I'm like, okay, how's it going to work? Let's see. I'm like, shaking. Don't mess up. I want to go out after this. It look normal and decent. Okay. It's not really that easy going back. Maybe if I just roll it. I'm like tapping it. I'm so scared. Let me just roll it across and see what it does. Make it lift up. Make sure it's nice and tight. This part, I'm going to just connect it. Okay, that's easy. Alright, refocus. Hope it wasn't blurry, so I'm sorry. But that was pretty easy to apply. Let's see how it is to fill it in over here. So far, so good, and I have yet to dip back into the product. So, I mean, I got a lot done with just one little application. Let's go ahead and dip it one more time. I'm impressed. I am impressed. But let me go ahead and fill it in. This is actually pretty cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, because I thought it would be far harder than this. Wow, I did it. I mean, the wing looks pretty good. I mean,
this wheel thing was genius. Well played to whoever invented this thing. It's not really my job to find out who was first. So, you know, I could thank them properly. Oh, shit. Oh, wait. Yeah, it is. I'll be back. So guys, if you didn't know, MAC was the first one that invented one of these, what they call pizza cutter wheels types eyeliners. They launched theirs in August of 2017, again, calling it a pizza cutter design. Then Revlon launched its drugstore version, the Color Stay Exactify Liquid Liner, in October of 2017. Now guys, there are quite a few of these things. This is the only one that I've tried. But if you could find one that has a properly working wheel, like this one does, and a really good formula, then that is the perfect liner. And bravo, because that brand will be the first that invented the perfect product, especially for me or anybody else with hooded eyes that likes to wear wing liner. So there you go, guys. Now y'all can just wing it out whenever you want to. So enjoy, and you're welcome. So guys, as always, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. I also do a lot of spoilers, so you don't want to miss any of those. And also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Wow. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. just wanted to clear this up for not giving you the finger. The I see you. That's, or am I the only one? You know what I mean? I love you guys. I'm going to let you go. Bye. This is Yuki. She's so beautiful, and she's the queen. Her's the queen. Tell